right, YouTube, I promised I would give you an update of how many cords were in that log truck load. Well, half of the log truck load is actually behind me. I don't think I've ever had this much split wood along the radius of our stacking conveyor ever. There is actually 16 totes behind me, so that's 4 cords of firewood. I roughly figure each tote is about 1/4 of a cord. We've let it go up just a little bit more than the top of the rail just to make sure that the volume is there, but that's pretty much the industry standard, is going to be, 4 totes to a cord. So let me grab that camera, I'll walk it around the pile here, and I'll show you the other 16 that we have in the back. So stay tuned. So the high-pitched noise in the background is my neighbor blowing her leaves. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, all lined up. Look at that radius. That is absolutely crazy. But yeah, we got it all done. I was really hoping for like maybe 9 cords out of the log truck there, but it just was not in the cards. So there you have it, folks. Let me go show you the rest of it on the other side of the processor. All right, so this is the other half of it. So we are running 4 wide by 4 deep. I thought I had a parking cone, but I threw the watering can down here just because those 12 baskets were already here from a different order. So it's just these 4 by 4 deep is 16. So we got 4 cord here, we got 4 cord and a basket over there. So right at 8 cord off that log truck. It is better than 6, but definitely could have used a few more sticks on there, but I think RJ did a great job. So that's our log truck volume. So like I was saying with the totes versus the bags, this is what I have left of like 70 totes. So we're going to transition back over to bags after this next run. And yes, that is a SplitForce 1320 and the all new hopper feeder. But so it just looks naked without anything set up here. So we went ahead and put more totes back up along the lineup here. And for example, like when we have 70 empty totes, they take up the same amount of room in my wood yard as they do full. But we've been delivering wood all weekend, and this is what I have left over for space from the bags. So that's all the pallets from this weekend, minus like 3 because they broke. There's a whole bunch of bags all shoved into one. And so I think we've delivered like, 8 cords today. So there's like 24 bags, should be 24 pallets. I think there's 19 there. But when the bags are empty and real estate is king, you can't beat shoving like 50 bags inside of one for a really, really small storage space. All right, YouTube, so there's all 33 totes from that log truck that we got from RJ. And I was sharing some pictures on Facebook throughout the whole process. And Chris was asking me, so did you do away with the bags? Well, no. Just like you, the bags do cost me something. And I am an equal opportunity capitalist. So when I get something for free, like a good tote, and we offer the rotating pallet forks for emptying out the totes, it makes it really easy to use the totes. But the bags will forever be a mainstay here in my wood yard, just because the tote supply comes and goes, but the bags will be forever. Boy, this wind is kicking up something horrible. So let me close this one out. If we can earn your business with the sales quote, please give me a phone call. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. And you can always email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. We have lots of new things going on. The Timberwolf stuff will be trickling in here between now and the end of the year. One of the big HD XL processors. It'll be a replacement for my big one, or very similar to my big one. So stay tuned for that. That should be here in about 2 weeks' time. So check out the website, shaverequipment.com. We're going to start listing everything over there that's available for sale and just what we're going to be carrying. And also there's the finance app there. I'll put that in the link in the description down below too, because we've been doing some great things with financing. So would love to talk to you in person and build that custom sales quote just for you to meet your needs. So give us a phone call, shoot us an email. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. Running out of air. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.